In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ChatGPT account using a Gmail account. First, open Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use moving forward. This helps keep everything tied to the right inbox and avoid switching accounts later. Once Gmail is open, look to the small vertical toolbar on the right side of the screen. You'll see familiar icons like Calendar and Keep, and at the bottom of that panel, there's a small plus icon. That plus button opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can add helpful tools directly into Gmail. Click the plus icon. A panel or a new tab will open with the Marketplace search. In the search bar, type GPT for Gmail. You should see an add-on designed to bring ChatGPT-style assistance into your inbox. Before you install anything, it's a good habit to check the app's details. Look at the name, the description, the publisher, and the reviews so you know you're selecting the correct tool and not a lookalike. When you're confident it's the right one, click Install. Gmail will guide you through the standard permission prompts. These explain what the add-on can access so it can function inside your mailbox. Review them carefully and proceed if you're comfortable. You may be asked to confirm which Google account you're using and to allow the necessary access. This is normal for Gmail add-ons and is part of connecting the tool to your Gmail account. When installation completes, you'll get a confirmation, and the GPT for Gmail icon should appear in that right side toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the Gmail page. Open the add-on from the toolbar and follow any on-screen prompts. In many cases, it will ask you to connect or sign in so it can personalize your experience. Because you started inside Gmail, this setup flows naturally with your Google login, effectively letting you use your Gmail account to access ChatGPT-powered features right in your inbox. A few quick tips if anything gets in the way. If you're on a work or school account, your admin might restrict installations, so you may need approval. If the Marketplace panel doesn't load, try refreshing the page or briefly disabling aggressive ad or script blockers. And if you ever change your mind, you can uninstall the add-on from the Marketplace just as easily as you installed it. That's it. You open Gmail, click the plus icon to access the Marketplace, search for GPT for Gmail, and installed it. You're now set up to use ChatGPT-style assistance through your Gmail account.